Hi there, this is Kyle from Fred Drake Automotive. Today I want to talk to you about tire pressure monitor sensors, what they are, what they do, and why they're important to your vehicle. So if you've ever seen this warning indicator come up on your vehicle, this is the tire pressure warning. It means that one or more of your tires is either underinflated or overinflated. Not to worry though, it could be a simple fix, and I'm going to show you how you can take care of it. So if you go over to your driver's door, this is a 2009 Mitsubishi Galant, but most cars it's on the same spot. Look in here, there should be a sticker that shows your tire and loading information, shows you the proper tire size for your vehicle and what tire pressure they should be set at for your front and rear. So what you're going to do is take note of these numbers and then go around to each of your tires and make sure that they all come to that number. If it's either underinflated or overinflated, you can adjust the pressure, and most likely it should take care of that light for you. To check your tire pressure, you're going to need one of these, a tire pressure gauge. They also make a digital version that's a little easier to read, but you can pick one of these up from your local parts store or Walmart for just a couple bucks. What you'll want to do is come over to your tire, find the valve stem, unscrew the cap like this, and then put the tire pressure gauge right on there. It'll stick out like this, and then we can get a reading. Looks like we got about 34 psi in this tire. 32 is our number. So within 2 psi is okay, but if you want to let air out of the tire, use your gauge right here, just push up against it, let some air out, and then check it again. Lets it down a little bit. If you need to add air, you'll want to get a portable air compressor, or again, you could just stop by the shop. So why should you care if your tires are over or underinflated, or if you have a light on your dash? Well, other than alignment issues, improper tire inflation is one of the leading causes of premature tire wear, which means you're going to be buying tires sooner than you would have had to have otherwise. So about once a month, you should get out, check the tire pressures, make sure that they're properly inflated, make sure that there's no damage to the tire or uneven wear. And if you don't feel like doing that, or if you don't feel comfortable, you can always bring it by to Fred Drake Automotive, and we'd be happy to check that out for you. So other than improper tire inflation, there is another thing that could be causing that light to stay on. It could be that the sensor itself has either failed or the battery has gone weak. These really started becoming prevalent in about 2007, and the battery life expectancy in these is about 10 years. So we're going to see a lot of battery failures coming up here in the next couple of years. This is actually what the sensor looks like. It goes inside your tire. This is the valve stem. And then this is the actual sensor right here. So sometimes these might need to be replaced, and we have a tool that we can check the battery from outside the tire, so it's very non-invasive and something that we can check very quickly for you. So I hope this video was useful for you. I hope you learned something about tire pressure monitoring systems. If you have any questions about these or about anything else for your vehicle, you can call us at Fred Drake Automotive in Townsend, Delaware. We hope when it comes to your car or truck, you trust the duck. Fred Drake Automotive.